Wagwan ENT.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time I'd like for you to take with me a spiritual journey as we journey on the Killamanjaro sound. This acapella will be played only by Killamanjaro sound. This has always been a foundation sound for Luciano. Glory, hallelujah. Bless my soul, oh Jah. Oh, Most High God.
Man, dead.
Glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to him dominion, power and grace. For all the years and years to come, you still remain the same. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Let it go. Yeah. Whoa, yes, yes, yes. Many days ago, Jaro sound is here again. When the door is closed, many more are open. Another sound is gone. Jaro sound is risen. Rainy days are gone. Yeah, yeah, sunny days are here again. Oh Lord, looking back, checking stuff and all those days, remembering the life I've lived as a child. How many sounds we beat, don't think this arrow sounds so easy. Say jump and get the feet, don't know one can get with trophy. Say Jaro teach them rules, and when bend and go back to school. Cause now we're ready for the world. Rainy days are gone. Jaro sound is here again. When my door is closed, many more are open. Just say I has a messenger to teach you roots about roots and culture, and tell the massive them to be murder. That's how Jaro deal with anger. About your head, just say I has a messenger to teach you about roots and culture, and tell the massive them to be murder. That's how Jaro deal with anger. About your head, some of the single. Oh, the boss love bomb, they forget that. I put that woman up front. There's a time and a place for everything. I want your head, and with my single. Oh, the boss them gone, ain't a
now we don't know Killamanjaro
oh, the
sound.
fire get lit.
A big sound that played nothing but classical hits.
To mingle and see you. I want your head, the same I had a big singer. To teach you about roots and culture. Tell the massive them to be murder. That's how Jaro deal with my girl. About your just saying I have a good singer to teach you about roots and culture. Tell the massive them to be murder. That's how Jaro deal with my girl. About your
Keep the music alive, keep the rolling energy.
Wagwan ENT.
Dancehall alive, you know. We do two dubplate with Chupa. And the night Chupa in Vietnam and Jaro. Prison over. My clash with Stone of them time they have Buju at the new sensation. Stone of a boost Buju. Ricky Chupa said. Yeah, boost pan your new artist. Well, remember new artist right now if you come sweep, but the whole of them artists we have boost pan right now. Listen to this one and no shit. I know. Yeah. And the man jump on the Shanghai check with them. And then I can't remember when you were not there, when I didn't care. But the Kenny Raja, listen to me about 9 times the song came out. And you see that night, I mean, I try to get that it could be my thing, my way around. A lot of people know mine, you know. Yeah. It's where the songs start playing. I say, oh, my song that I say, your song. I say, alright, the time I say, watch where I go. And Trooper stop it and say, stop it! Yeah. The man is here now. Live!
This one makes exclusively for all the ladies. All beautiful, sexy girls who love Killamanjaro sound. Sing, sing, sing. I can't remember when you were not there, when I didn't care for any sound but you. Jaro, Jaro, you do everything there is. Can't remember anything we Can't imagine anything that you ever can do through the years. sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the sounds you played, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Killamanjaro again, Jaro, see the moonlight on the town, so I'm getting ready. Yeah. Kilimanjaro's playing in the lawn, so I'm getting ready. Gonna put on my dancing shoes, 'cause I'm getting ready, yeah. Got to make sure that I'm right on the time to see another jump and soundboard getting buried. We're getting at some tonight. Whoa.
No, Killamanjaro sound.
Make sure that
big sound that play nothing but classical hits.
Yeah. Getting at some boy, brother with your jump and youth man, to see your Killamanjaro town. Take my foolish advice, this man to you program. Boy, some boy, no bother with your jump and youth man, to see your Killamanjaro town. Take my foolish advice, this man to you program. Boy, you meditating night and day. Oh, you wanna lead the way, but there's no easy way tonight. You've got to stand up, son boy, and fight. Killamanjaro, around dancehall. Yes, you hold your belly and ball. Before daylight, you are gonna lose your life. You better pack up and take a sudden flight. Son boy, no bother with your jump and youth man, you see your Killamanjaro town. Take my foolish advice, this man to you program. Boy, son boy.
Father Jaro is coming from far.
Coming from far, yeah.
A sound can't win the battle, can't win the war.
Tell them Garnet City.
We're armed and dangerous. Killing a sound boy is a must. So don't try make no fuss.
Don't try to
else we gonna have to reverse. Rule them, Daddy Jaro.
Rule them, son.
Daddy Jaro. Rule them, Daddy Jaro. If you test, you're not gonna live to see tomorrow.
Won't live to see tomorrow.
Can't live to see tomorrow. Oh, no, no. Father Jaro is deadly.
Tell them Garnet City.
You test, we kill your whole family.
And Luciano in the side.
No cates, no cates, no cates. We'll wipe their faces in mess. No cates, no cates, no cates. Boom! Jaro kill a sound, nevertheless. Nevertheless, no, no, no.
Killamanjaro is a sound killer. Fuck that guy. Killamanjaro, Bobo, he's a master blaster. Oh, God.
Well, I said the hypocrites, say my God, and people see the hypocrites, see that sound there, see the jump and sound there, my God, and see the jump and sound, Luciano, what do you say?
When people see me walking the street with a big smile on my face,
Wagwan
they always
ENT.
wonder why I'm such a happy man. Lord, I guess they'll never understand the secret of a happy man is when I see Killamanjaro beat a jumping sound.
Oi, 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 Killamanjaro, 2 free black people all over hills and valleys too. No make no jump and fool you. Killamanjaro, Killamanjaro, bam, 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 bam. Why try and make Killamanjaro run up his jump and sound? I don't know, go yo. If it don't up to them, bring it up and would we ever see the sun on the snow? No soon as this.
Beat the sound in the morning and let them know that Jaro sound is ruling the law.
Yeah.
We beat the sound in the evening and make a link to selector and we run where I'm gone. We beat the sound in the morning and make a link to somebody and we can't and gone. We beat the sound in the morning and let them know that Jaro is the ruling the law.
Take a set,
Papa Jaro take a set, take a set, take a set. Ricky Chupa take a set, God. Dance, intellect. We know we water, wash clothes, we have to get it fresh. Anytime me tired, yes, me bump it, take a rest. Me have girl a east, and me have girl a west. Me have girl a south, and me have girl a north. Burro tall and burro smart and burro no how we talk. No girl out that just can't break. Burro hot, burro deep, burro sweet, burro no how we do.
We cannot find a place to live in this jungle created by mankind. Yeah. Ooh, here will I lay my weary year until me out I'll find a peace of mind. Yeah. Some certain way. A man must in sudden way.
Kill man with a business. Kill man.
But I feel like running instead and find me a place where Jaro plays. Yes, I take me over into the valley. I'll find me where Jaro plays for me. Yes, I take me far away from the city. Mother Nature is calling to me. Legalize it. Oh, please don't criticize it. Legalize it. Yeah. And tell me advertise it. Oh, some call it jumping. Some call it the weed. Some call it marijuana. Oh, and some of them are calling ganja. Oh. It was a crowded night, a night like this, when I walked into the dance hall. When I listened to the music played for me, played by Jaro sound. As the music buzzed in this dance hall, brought tears to some boy's face. I said to myself that I must rise and tell the human race, 'cause I know the Jaro was made to serve Jah, and forever we rule all over. Killamanjaro was made to serve Jah, and forever we rule all over. Upon this road on which I trod to teach the word of God, the Bible is my only sheet and the music is my rod. I pray some boys would hear my voice and listen when Jaro calls, but all they do is carry on, so one by one they fall. Even if a songboy reaches back against the wall, I try to play Jaro song, I need to jump and sound up if fall, yeah. Even if a songboy when him hit against the wall, oh, even have them all, even have them all, even have them all, even have them all. Some boys as they fall, even have them all. Even if a songboy who's roaming on the street, you try to play the champion sound, I need to someone can't find for me.
Walk one ENT.
Even if a soundboy as his feet on cold concrete, oh, even have them all, even have them all. The pocket is empty, no money to buy, Lord. God knows he's hungry, don't ask why. When Jaro is playing the Lord, a little somebody is crying, 'cause he's about to fall. Jump and Jaro just back and run away. Don't you know that Jaro lead the way? Jump and Jaro just back and run away, Lord. Don't you know that Jaro lead on my pilgrim journey. The burden you carry is more than you can bear. I would listen to Jaro sound every day and night. And listen from midnight back to daylight. And even though I saw by him, I put up a fight. It's on Jaro, I go soaring tonight. I hear a little song, but just a run up him mouth. I talk about him, comfy getting Jaro out. But when Ricky took turn up the bass tonight, and little song, boy, I go fly like high. I turn again, that's how we do it. Show them how we do it, Jaro. That's how we do it. Show them how we do it, Jaro. That's how we do it. Show them how we do it tonight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, we teach a song boy from the east. I'm an of a family, turning from Monday to Friday, Lord. And at the end of the week, I got to mix and Killamanjaro play. Oh God, me and my virgin ready. Take a little stroll in the dance song. And when some stone boys sing with them, I run and bow. Oh God, yes, we give them a spanking. Whoa, Lord God. Sing Killamanjaro till the morning. Big dogs we are playing. Oh God. Uno be that light up, uno sensing. Oh, okay. And if I some boy make it standing, Jaro sound I play. I thank you for the blessings of my life. And I thank you for the Jaro playing tonight. And I wanna thank you for everything you do. I wanna thank you for the Jaro sound so true.
Look towards the future with lots of confidence. Good over evil, no one of violence. Jaro will be rejoicing, rejoicing. And I know, Freddy will set the people free. Set them free, now listen to my plea.
Yes, I wanna thank you, Jaja. I thank you, Lord. Yes, I thank you, Joe. I thank you, Joe, for sending Jaro sound good. Yes, some sound boy I fight over trophy, but Killamanjaro don't got the Grammy. So some sound boy I fight over trophy. Well, tonight them I go dead and bury. Cause all them a kick up on a gun and a go on and a run up and down. To them no know say Jaro sound a champion. We kill up some jump and sound and bury them one by one. And send them back a country, it's a big up plant them.
Now we don't know Killamanjaro sound.
Give the Grammy.
Big sound
for
that play nothing but classical hits.
Has skilled. I said to Jaro, give the Grammy. He said that some boy gonna vote. Some say them are outlaw, but Killamanjaro I go give them lockjaw. Some say them are outlaw, but Killamanjaro I go give them lockjaw. You we out, after we act with sound for them and tell them don't make it and be them friend. Soon them end up get condemned. After we act with sound for them and tell them don't make it and be them friend. Still a song but don't heed them. Hey some boy, nobody make the little devil control you. Yeah, you do. Hey, some boy, nobody make the little devil control you. Yeah, you are. Say, baby, gonna be rough time. Rougher than the days of Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh, Lord. And there is gonna be bloodshed. So all wicked people enjoy your head. Chaplin, it a go red in a this sound boy, and it a go panda. Hey, Jaro. Said there is gonna be rough time. Rougher than the days of Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh Lord, and there is gonna be bloodshed. So all wicked people enjoy your head. Chaplin, it a go red in a this sound boy, and it a go trade in a this Armageddon. Fire going burn in
inna this a Armageddon. Blood it a go run inna this a. Watch me, sound why none one no better. So what's a them a suffer and then see a opportunity. Grab it a no matter till things get hotter and them thought the batter. At that time them know say them dream get a shatter.
Say many have fallen by the sword and many have fallen by the gun, but many more than this have fallen by Jaro, hey, Landa and Popovianda. I catch so many good sound under vicious lies and sound rumors. It's the
I jump and try to play the Jaro, but he got an old tea and motive. Oh, what a shame. I jump and try to play the champion, but he got an inferior motive. Personal gain. I jump and try to play the champion, but he got an ulterior motive. Oh, what a shame. I jump and try to play the trooper, but he got an ulterior motive. Personal gain. Sorry for Magadag. Magadag turn round it pure. Jump out a frying pan and sound while you are lying in a fire. Oh Lord, I wonder what you jump and sound is coming to. Yes, I mean it. 27 fingers of the Bingy temple. Ricky Trooper, sit down and no time behind her. Singing in me, I'm a while the whole world I tremble. Sing this little song to the Jaro people. Up in the hills where the rivers run cool. Bullets and jungle swimming down in my pool. Staying away from the land of the fool. Jaro have me up your accord. Final call. A sound boy is falling. Final call. Ricky Troopers play again. Final call. A sound boy is falling. Final call.
Say Jaro up we plant wheels in the jungle, far from the eyes of people. When Babylon tried to find it, they will crumble. Harvest time we reapers in a bundle. But first we find the seedlings and prepare the land for planting. 2 weeks out you know that all the herbs will be springing. Morning until evening it's our duty to be watering. Soon while you both get a bit.
Jaro!
Give thanks and praise. Well easy. The Dan Gargan alongside the messenger.
Problem.
Say Jaro up we plant wheels in the jungle, far from the eyes of people. When Babylon tried to find it, they will crumble. Harvest time we reapers in a bundle. But first we find the seedlings and prepare the land for planting. 2 weeks out you know that all the herb trees will be springing. Morning until evening it's our duty to be watering. Soon while you both get a bit.
Jaro! Yes, we coming from my dance last Saturday night. Mash up a stage show, rolling with the vibes. Me and my crew just sing some blues, smoke some high grade.
Away, Zion away, Zion away to the Killamanjaro South Road. It's away, Zion away, Zion away to the vibrations of home. We've been around for so long. Four corners of the earth, and in the valley of the season, you know, say Jaro around us, man. Because I live, I can face tomorrow. Because I live, I can face the world. Because I know that righteousness rules creation. Because the live, then Jaro says, nobody knows the troubles I'm seeing. Nobody knows the danger. Well, I know no rubber dumb soldiers in a Jaro. We not give up, no matter when the dirty get up. Killamanjaro come for night seat up. Nah give up, no matter how a sound boy you pop. I jump on some we run out and look. Can't give up, no matter how the going get rough. Killamanjaro come for night seat up. Can't give up, when a sound boy in my up and up. Tonight we look in run out and look. A Killamanjaro sound foundation sound for years. What is the Freddy? Come on, we ready. Let it show. Mr. Harper, every day we get sharper. Mikey Channel, we answer, Papa. Jackie.
Righteousness.
Way oh, way. What is the Mandela and you? Ding, 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 ding. Killamanjaro make us own attack. Somebody can react. There are no dogs to try counteract. Killamanjaro make us own attack. Somebody can react. With righteousness we rally on top. Killamanjaro make us own attack. Somebody can react. There are no dogs to try counteract. Killamanjaro make us own attack. Somebody can react. And a wicked selector a features back live. Yes, them owe Killamanjaro an apology. Want to abuse him physically and disrespect man mentally. Well, memories don't live like soundboys do. They always stay with you, whether sound be good or bad. When Killamanjaro is singing for you, yeah. Yes, memories don't live like soundboys do. They always stay with you, whether dance be good or bad. When Jaro sound will play for you, yeah.
Hey, the sound is siren, sound and SOS. Another sound boy got in a distress. Can we control that sound, east and west. Even take up the yes. Up a sound boy chest. Up a sound boy chest.
Watch this. Them think we gone, but we still there. We act like a fire. Jaro. Them think we gone, but we still there. What a better send for the water. Yo. Them think we gone, but we still there. We act like a fire, scotch bonnet pepper. Them think we gone, but we still there. What a better send for the water. Chaplin. Yo, we look at them and tell them. Say the tree not divine, well me nah yam the fruit. It have be clean for me stem and go down in the road. Full time for your daughter to shoot. When plan no one dead at that time me shoot. Come Papa Josie, come tell them the truth.
Lord, you know so deadbeat that they don't care about nobody and you try to just kill yourself. And when you know say Killamanjaro leave you in a sorrow and you die before you test this well. Lord, just take good care of my sound for me, my baby. Just
You wanna Killamanjaro, only Manuel Selector.
Yeah!
You wanna the righteous, let me see it from the right.
Live up. Let me now show you for the honor of distinction. We're talking about the three offspring of King David. The prophet, priest, and king. Offspring of King David, King Solomon, Emperor Addies.
Michael Jaro. Come. It's not just this
Standing with you, boy. Killamanjaro is playing, standing with you, boy. Oh Lord, standing with you, boy. I hear the massive and waiting, standing with you, boy. Jaro.
Super, you don't know them ruins and you see how them a live. Jaro don't know how them is. Yeah. Corruption them a give, that's why Super come save. And sound boy go bomb them breaks. Wicked Super tell them filthiness they in them heart. We see say better filthiness line on them part. Me say cleanliness and up and them start to rot. We no love to see the corridor.
Yeah, say if you see a sound boy lying on the ground, don't you pass him by. Yo, Jaro, lick him down. You should take him up, brush him off, see that he's alright. So Jaro, I spent some kindness on our way to life.
Standing with you, boy. The champion Jaro is pumping, standing with you, boy. Massive and raving, standing with you, boy.
Rastaman them chanting, standing in the
Hey, Killamanjaro, to what you say? Sound boy,
What one ENT?
You can't come, what's not the light, you have to stay in the dark. You're right to my heart. Yo, we don't know them doing from the sea, how them a live so by a dumb power, who them is. Aye, corruption that's why being denied yourself. Them run gun, grab on them braids.
Standing with the boy. Yeah, Mikey General is calling, standing with the boy.
Killamanjaro, well,
King Kalanji is wailing, standing with the boy.
Now we don't know Killamanjaro song. Big song that played nothing but classical hits after hits. Big singers like Dennis Brown, Garnet, Luciano. You know, right now this one is in honor to the great Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Done by Luciano, singing for Killamanjaro song. Well, easy problem, Sean. Man, run it way. Show them how David Tick sing. When I wake up in the morning, my hair down in my eyes, me time.
Give me strength, oh God, I pray, oh God, to face another day. Oh
now we don't know Killamanjaro sound.
Lord, give me strength
but classical hits.
to face another day, to make it along life's road, carry my heavy load. Give Jaro strength, oh God, to carry on. Oh my Lord, with oh Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Please hear me when I plead. How well for ages passing, how well for years to come, without whom I could not be. Many are trying to leave you out of their life.
Doesn't matter what you play now, some boy, as long as you're not playing right, you will judge tonight. So when you try to play Jaro sound and try to come take our crown, you will get thrown down. What sense does it make to play the champion, and in the end you lose your soul? Back you jumping and leave the dance floor. Ricky Trooper is the ruler of the ball.
So when me look up, who better give them a seed about catching? Another song boy kick the bucket. He come and dance all I want like him out. Jaro's done Bruce so them a fraud. Who better give them a seed about catching? Another song boy kick the bucket. He come and dance all I want like him out. Jaro's done Bruce so them a fraud.
I me say ain't no sound that move me, and ain't no sound can groove me like Jaro do, Jaro do, Jaro do. Lord knows, I me say play me rubber dub now. I me say play for everyone. Jaro are the number one, Jaro are the champion. Hey.
When I was born, I used to say, without Killamanjaro, you just can't go home. Now that I'm a man, how can't you understand? Killamanjaro, ruling the land.
How can you be so ungrateful after all that Jah has done for you? Yeah. How can you be so ungrateful after all that Killamanjaro done for you? Yeah. How can you be so ungrateful after all that Jah has done for you? Yeah. How
chose your destiny. In the stars and the earth I see, boy. And on the wind he speaks with majesty. Oh, what a wonderful feeling. If only you could
Walk
see.
One ENT.
Yeah, oh boy. It was ordained for us to live in peace, boy. Not to hate each other, live like this. Why do we fight each other when we should live at war? When you touch the Jaro, make sure you're ready with your. When you touch the somewhere from the strength, make sure you're preparing on your cards. Let the reason be done. When you touch the Jaro, make sure you're ready with yours. When you touch the Jaro, make sure you're ready with yours.
The Jaro sound disappear. Listen to the music sound nice and clear. Jaro sound disappear. Do you hear? The Jaro sound disappear. Listen to the music sound nice and clear. Jaro sound disappear. Do you hear?
Don't try to contest the champion with your dirty knowledge. And don't try to compete against the Jaro with your bad. Some boy have wasted your time. Trying to play with Jaro. Woman love. Really take us in the back of my mind. Sling, ding, boy. Just to leave your sound behind. Listen, I guess you're not the only sound who'd like to see Killamanjaro losing in the Lord. Whoa, but if only you'd agree. Whoa, Killamanjaro is a celebrity, Lord God. Hey, we're all in this dance together. Then now, can't we all just play at one? Whoa, we're all like birds up on feather, yeah. And this time we play at one.
When Jaro say, Jaro, what pressure them a bear? Kill them already and them know we no fear. Jaro, you're always here. Only when them want them appear.
And some boy have to run away when they give daddy Jaro play. And some boy have to run away when they give Killamanjaro play. And some boy have to run away when they give daddy Jaro play. Oh, be sad, be one. Listen, Jaro play that one. Jaro to play. Watch the people Chaplin friends. Oh yeah, with righteousness, Killamanjaro manifest. Beating some boys from east to west. Oh yeah, somebody have to run away when the Killamanjaro play. And somebody have to run away when the hear that Jaro play. And somebody have to run away. The fool says in his heart, there is no God, but she's blind and cannot see.
Tell the Papa Jaro.
The earth is the Lord, and the fullness thereof. They and them move and down. Many will say that Jah is a lead, but I don't know we got and keep.
He's alive, cause I feel love in my soul. He's alive, cause he makes them beloved road. Jah is alive, boy, 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 boy.
I said there ain't no meaning, the Jaro fi carry no feeling. For you, there ain't no meaning, Papa Jaro fi carry no feeling. Lord, so we sit down and we yard, bright and early, me say one Sunday morning. Now with the pipeline we on, I touch down in a some serious reading. Now if you do a praise Jah, son boy, you end up like a any foul feeling. Heed the word of love, come Mr. Chupa, they are so one play.
Oh, well, yeah. Jano and I go stand up in the ways I'm sinner. I sit up in the scene of the scornful, but all the light is in the love. We meditate on the night time. Jaro and I go stand up in the ways I'm sinner. I sit up in the scene of the scornful.
Bang rock, shout, shout. Jaro rock, coming up now. Jaro rock, shout, shout. And the African rock booming up loud. 2,000 years of juggling, still troopers stand up strong. 2,000 years of juggling, and still Jaro carry along. Oh Lord God. Killamanjaro doesn't stand up like the rock of Gibraltar, and spread out like the great China wall. Sometimes a black man might falter, but still Killamanjaro not fall. You see we stand up like the rock of Gibraltar, and spread out like the great China wall. Sometimes the African might falter, but still Killamanjaro not fall. Uno better Lego Jaro, uno better Lego Jaro, uno better Lego Jaro, and give Jaro time to blow. Oh Lord God, hey. Cause if I don't let him go, yes, if I don't let him go, yes, if I don't let him go, then heaven and earth shall blow. Well, oh, it's how we got it, and how we got the Grammy. It's how we got it, Killamanjaro got the Jammy. Whoa, 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 to chase my sound is dangerous. Whoa, 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 to chase my sound is serious. Gee, put up your guitar, don't play chop. Eat that sound for me, say you end up in a box. Put up your guitar, don't play chop. Eat that sound for me, say you gonna duck cat. We say we got it, it's how we got the Grammy. Whoa, 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 to chase my sound is dangerous. Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now, yeah? Who could it be now? Trying to play the Jaro song, Lord God. Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now, yeah? Who could it be now? Trying to test the Jaro song, Lord God. I climb with the mountain, swinging the deepest sea, searching for my assignment, for the Jaro sound to play for me. Ah, is it taking so long for sound to pack and go home? When we did learn that it's the Jaro and get burned. Killamanjaro shall rule the stands when he gets his turn. We never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose. Those sounds may come around, Jaro sound we throw them down. Yes, we never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose. Those sounds may come around, Jaro sound we wave the crowd.
Jaro, we are gonna open the mouth to sing. Come here, King David's offspring. Peace and love we bring. Come here, King David's offspring. Yes, we are gonna open the mouth to sing. Come here, King David's offspring. Peace and love Jaro bring. Come here,
say what gone by the morning, boy. Can't come good in a evening. Well, all the things them are going with, boy. Jaro sound are watching for money. So I go show them a sign. You sinful son, boy, in this time. Whether you deaf or you blind, you have to repent in this time. Jaro sound I carry the world. Must have to travel the road. Jaro sound I carry the world. Must have to travel the road. The Jaro stop them, go make me flop them. I lead to somebody no member job. Go make me stop them, go make me flop them. I lead to somebody no member job. The Jaro stop them, go make me flop them. I lead to somebody no member job. Go make me stop them, the Jaro flop them. I lead to somebody no member job. All over the hills we hear Killamanjaro play, teaching a sound boy to go down on his knees and pray.
Killamanjaro, we love you. Truly, there's no sound above you, and it would mean so much to me to kill a dibby sound. 'Cause I know that Killamanjaro, you rule the town. I say, truly, Killamanjaro, we love you. Truly, there's no sound above you.
You think I love Jaro for just one thing? To you, Jaro, it's just a raining day. But I know the way they conduct themselves. I give love away. Oh, Jaro, please inside. Ain't that love in you, Jaro? I say, ain't that love in you, Jaro? For the reasons that Jaro, yeah.
Listen, truly, Jaro, we love you. Truly, and there's no sound above you. 'Cause you don't know like I know someone. I can tell you good tonight. And I know that so nobody put up no price. I say,
You know, sometimes it's kind of disheartening when soundboy makes plans and things don't work the way he planned. You know, respect this gun plan. But you gotta know what you do, soundboy, next time you try to play champion.
Jaro, Garnet sound.
Jaro, Jaro, Jaro. See that broken-hearted sound toiling in the burning sun. A disappointed African who doesn't even know her style. After so many years of sweat and tears, still he's living in fear, wondering if and where he's gonna have his share. Oh, guess what's happening? See a new day's dawning. Jaro is playing. Soon he'll see.
Which sound can you remember to have the most, Luciano?
Well, Killamanjaro, you know, did it for me, you know, from early stages with the troop of Killamanjaro.
Now we don't know Killamanjaro sound, big sound that played nothing but classical hits.